February is Heart Health Month. The YMCA is kicking it off with the annual Heart Walk and Wellness Expo this weekend. We're joined this morning by some Y officials on this Mindful Monday, as well as Gundersen cardiologist Dr. Ward Brown to tell us more. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for being here.
Well, thank you.
So just start by telling us a little bit, Carly, why you and your colleagues at Gundersen are joining the Y for this event.
As you know, it's Heart Month, and so at Gundersen we take heart health very seriously.
Yeah.
Dr. Brown is one of our cardiologists who's in our cardiologist team, and I work in education, and so we do a variety of different things for heart health to make sure our community and our patients and everybody is taken care of.
Okay, great. And we're going to get more into those details of the event in just a minute, but we wanted to use your insight while you're here with us, Dr. Brown. So you're involved with the Y's Heart Walk. Tell us why walking. You know, you hear so much about walking. Why is it so good for our heart?
Well, the heart loves activity.
Right.
And walking is one of the safest and most readily available activities that we can have.
Right.
And all steps count.
Okay. Yeah, so even, you know, just walking around, you know, running around with the kids, stuff like that, those all count, right? Okay, that is good to know.
Well, heart health is great, though. So what are the warning signs if some things start to go wrong?
That's a great question. And it can be kind of confusing.
Yeah.
So we in cardiology say any discomfort above the belly button could be your heart. We hear classically people talk about tightness, chest burning, an elephant standing on our chest. A band tied around our chest.
Yeah.
Those all can be manifestations. One of the earliest signs is a change in exercise tolerance and shortness of breath.
Okay, so if you're experiencing that, definitely want to speak with your physician, would you say?
Yes.
Okay, now we'll get back into the event here. So tell us a little bit about the partnership between medical professionals and the Y, how this came about.
Yeah, so last year the event started with just a heart walk.
Right.
This year we are super excited that we are now doing a wellness expo as well.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a variety of different departments from both the YMCA and from Gundersen. And so we're going to showcase everything heart related. So nutrition, CPR, we're going to have ultrasound, different things like that. So this partnership that we've created this year is amazing, and we're super looking forward to it.
Yeah, so it sounds like there'll be a lot of different booths and stuff that people can walk to.
Yes.
Okay.
So what other things can families start to enjoy here?
Sure, absolutely. So we're just really excited to welcome the community. We'll be up at the Hauser YMCA on Saturday from 8 to 10.
Okay.
Families and people of all ages can come and enjoy some kids activities. Again, we'll have booths from both Gundersen and Y personal trainers will be there. The personal trainers will be giving away some free personal training sessions. They'll be doing a drawing, so that's great. And then our sponsor, Gerhard's, has allowed us to provide some great prizes too. So a 65-inch smart TV, a smartwatch, and an under-desk treadmill, so you can get those steps in.
Okay, maybe we'll win that. We have our Mindful Monday interviews here walking.
Talk, you're 100% right, too. I know my father back in the day used to do 14 miles in the morning for walking, and then he eventually, a few years later, went down to 7, and then eventually after that, it was only maybe 1, maybe 2.
Okay.
So you're 100%
And that's
right
a classic story.
Yeah, okay. So any other warning signs that we should be looking out for? Does it change with age, or what do you say there?
No, it doesn't change with an age. And unfortunately, God didn't give us a owner's manual, so you know what to expect.
Exactly. Okay, so yeah, just be looking out for those things. And then for the expo, do we need to sign up in advance, or can people just show up?
Nope, it's open and free to the public. And like I said, we're just really excited to welcome folks into the Y for a heart healthy morning and to celebrate, you know, this wonderful and such an important month with Heart Month.
Yes, for sure. And should we bring the kids? Are the kids welcome? Will there be activities?
Absolutely. Kids are welcome. We'll have some activities to get their hearts pumping.
Okay,
we'll have some craft activities and just a lot of fun, really, for everybody.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Quickly, what about kids, though? Is there something that we should be watching out for kids in this type of situation as well?
Kids are just like adults when it comes to that. And probably the most noticeable thing that you would see with a child is inability to keep up with their peers in activities.
Okay, when they're all running around and kicking the ball, so watch out for that. Okay. All right, well, more insights to be had this weekend for sure, so thank you so much for giving us a little preview this morning.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.